Dear friends, today we, the Sikh nation, all over the world, are celebrating the 14th March as the Sikh Environment Day, it being the enthronement day of our 7th Sikh Guru, Shri Guru Har Rai Ji. Nearer the nature, nearer the God. Nature is the mother of all creation. It's the canvas painted by the Almighty which provides us the opportunity to enjoy His own art and to witness the reflection of His own magnificence. May it be the rising sun or the sun setting, the unique beauty of black clouds or the colorful rainbow, the snow-covered peaks of mountains, or the rivers flowing to touch the sacred oceans, sweet fragrance of flowers, or the lush green grasslands. We feel the existence of God when we are close to nature and enjoy the splendor of nature. It's this feeling that creates yearning to meet the Almighty. When we develop a bond with nature and discover a way to communicate with the creation, our soul resonates with its Creator, the Almighty, which beautifies the soul within us. It's truly said that beauty is the index of God. The presence of the creation leads to our existence, and it's the source of all our needs. The existing disappointment in the modern world is due to its increasing gap with the nature and growing materialism. Blind deforestation, high misuse and wastage of water, industrialization, and continuous demolition of forests and fields has resulted in imbalance of the environment. The unexpected storms and global warming are the devastating outcomes of our actions. The way we are using up our natural resources, we are not only going away from the God, but we are also depriving ourselves and our generations from the very blessings of the Mother Nature. We can only enjoy the bounties of nature if we take action today. We need to save each drop of water and curb increasing pollution and population. We don't necessarily have to look towards the governments for everything, but take personal responsibility and do our bit as well. We need to cater solution-based awareness to the masses by reaching out to them. There is a need to take up responsibility and discover how individual effort can contribute to bring change. Only then we will be able to protect the beauty of our Mother Earth and its resources, and only then we shall be nearer to the Creator. Today we celebrate the Sikh Environment Day, which is the enthronement day of the 7th Guru of Sikhs, Guru Har Rai Ji. Guru Har Rai Ji has great sensitivity towards the nature and biodiversity it comprises. As a form of appreciation and respect of the flora and fauna, Guruji developed parks and gardens where he planted fruits and flowering plants, medicinal herbs, and built wildlife sanctuaries at Kirtpur Sahib in Punjab. On this occasion, let us all promise to love and protect the environment so that the coming generations can be proud of us. begin today. Celebrate March 14 as Sikh Environment Day by planting trees, gifting flowering plants to friends, relatives, and neighbors. Sing Gurbani Shabads that relate us to nature and remind us about our connection to the environment. We are certain that each one of us will play a positive role by doing our bit. We are also convinced that such actions will one day lead to the fulfillment of our dream of creating the best land for the mankind. Thanks everyone. Great love and respect to all. Live and reside with pride. God bless you. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ